As you may already know, the current economic crisis has caused millions of people each year to turn to federal bankruptcy protection to eliminate their debt and get a fresh financial start. Bankruptcy wasn't their first choice, but it was their best choice. The following questions and answers may help you decide whether bankruptcy can be your best choice as well. What is bankruptcy? Bankruptcy is a legal process provided by the U.S. Constitution, which allows consumers and businesses to eliminate most or even all of their debt in just a few short months. It's a positive and sensible choice for many who have fallen behind on their bills, lost their employment, or fell victim to the mortgage meltdown. It can also put an end to harassing creditors, stop foreclosure, garnishments, and lawsuits. There are two major types of consumer bankruptcies, Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. In a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, you can wipe out unsecured debts such as credit card debt, medical bills, liability from a repossession or foreclosure, and much more. You can also wipe out secured debts such as a home loan. If you own a home, you have two options. Number one, surrender the house if you can't afford the payment, or number two, keep the house and continue to make your payments. When you have paid off your loan, you will own the house free and clear. A Chapter 7 bankruptcy is a common choice for most. However, you must qualify, and it can be difficult because eligibility is based on your household income. A Chapter 13 bankruptcy is an interest-free debt repayment plan that lasts 3 to 5 years. The repayment amount varies and depends on your income, the amount owed, and type of debt that exists. Your payments could be as little as $100 per month, depending on your circumstances. A Chapter 13 is a common choice. Typically, if you have fallen behind on your mortgage or bills and need time to get current, don't qualify for a Chapter 7, or have equity and assets that can be taken by creditors. When do I need bankruptcy? Aside from the usual indicators such as inability to pay bills, lawsuits, bank levies, or garnishments, one clear sign that bankruptcy may be necessary is if your unsecured debt, credit cards, is more than 1/3 of your annual income. If your debt is greater than 1/3 of your net income, then you will likely never be able to pay off your debt. You won't be able to ever. Instead of saving for future retirement, you will end up paying your debt for the rest of your life, always trying to catch up. Why is bankruptcy better than debt settlement? Debt settlement attempts to negotiate your debt over a very long period of time, typically 3 to 5 years, with no guarantees for success. During this time, your credit continues to drop because no payments are being made to the creditors. Additionally, you are not legally protected from lawsuits, judgments, bank levies, or garnishments. And even if a settlement is reached, you pay a substantial fee merely to reduce a portion of your debt. A bankruptcy, however, can eliminate your debt and begin rebuilding your credit immediately as you move forward with your financial fresh start. Clearly, it's easy to see why bankruptcy can be the best decision you can make. Call the bankruptcy experts at California Bankruptcy Relief and the law offices of Paul Y. Lee and learn how we can help you decide your best options today.